Have you ever smiled in public but cried in private? Have you ever told people, I am okay, while your heart quietly carried disappointment, betrayal, pain, or emotional exertion? Welcome to Boss Wendy Wendy, the space where we turn pain into power, feed into focus, and purpose into manifestation. And today, we are talking about something many women experience but do not always speak about openly: a woman's prayer after being hurt. And that is our topic for today. Because sometimes the deepest wounds are not physical. Sometimes the deepest pain comes from words: betrayal, rejection, abandonment, disrespect, silence, disappointment, or loving people who never truly valued your heart. And one thing I learned is this: pain changes a woman, but healing transforms her. Some women become cold after hurt, some become guarded, some stop trusting, some stop loving themselves properly because life drained them emotionally. But listen carefully. Just because somebody hurt you does not mean your future is destroyed. Just because somebody mishandled your heart does not mean you are unworthy of real love, peace, happiness, or restoration. Sometimes God allows certain people to live your life because they were connected to your pain, not your purpose. The Bible says in Psalms 147 verse 3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Now, let's really understand this in simple English. God never said pain would never happen, but He promised healing. He promised restoration. He promised that broken seasons will not last forever. I bet you. And sometimes healing begins the moment you stop begging people to become who they already showed you they are not. Some people apologize with words but repeat the same behavior with actions. And one of the hardest lessons for many women is learning that love should not constantly feel like suffering. A healed woman starts choosing peace over chaos, clarity over confusion, self-respect over emotional begging. And let me say something important today. Protecting your heart is not bitterness. Walking away from disrespect is not weakness. Taking time to heal is not failure. Some women are carrying emotional wounds while still trying to be strong for everybody else: their children, their family, their partner, their work, their responsibilities. But who heals the woman that keeps healing everybody else? That is why prayer matters. Not religious performance, not pretending everything is perfect, but a real honest prayer. Now, sometimes your prayer is simply, God, I am tired. God, heal me. God, help me let go. God, remove what is hurting me emotionally. God, restore my peace. And trust me, healing is not always instant. Some wounds heal quietly over time. Some scars teach wisdom. Some heartbreaks reveal hidden strength you never knew you had. The woman you become after pain can either be destroyed or reborn stronger, wiser, and more spiritually grounded. So, if you are in a painful season right now, do not lose yourself trying to hold on to people who lost respect for your heart. Pray, heal, rest, rebuild, and remember who you are. Because one painful chapter does not in any way define your entire story. Now, this is Boss Wendy Wendy, where faith meets clarity, reflection meets action, and mindset resets for real life. And if this message touched your spirit today, share it with someone who may need this reminder. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in another elevation moment. Thank you all, and have a blessed night. Bye for now. Bye.